Welcome back to the channel. Today we have 2026 Jan P3 walkthrough. It is Edmond. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, question 8. Let us what we have for question 8. We have our function x in terms of y, and they're looking for the y, the x. That means what you're going to get first. So our x is e to the power of tan of y. So what you're going to get first, you're going to get the x, the y, the x, y. But remember one thing, that if you have a function of an exponential, the derivative of this function is going to be the derivative of the function on the top multiplied by the original function itself. That's the formula for the derivative of exponential function. That means here the x, the y is going to be the derivative of what is over here on top, which is going to be 2 sec squared of y multiplied by e to tan of y. But when you look at this expression you're looking for, we don't have anything like sec or anything like e tan. So what you're going to do, you're going to try to simplify this equation. So the x dy equals to, I'm going to change the sec into 1 plus tan squared, 1 plus tan squared of y times e to tan of y. What I'm going to do as well, I'm going to change this tan. I'm going to get the expression from the equation. So when you look at the equation here, we can take natural logs on both sides and say that natural log of x is equal to tan of y. Then we make tan of y the subject and then we square it. You see that tan squared is equal to natural log of x over 2, all of it squared. Then we substitute in this equation. So what we have the x dy as equal to 2 into 1 plus the tan squared, which is natural log ln of x all squared over what? Over 4. But this is now the x, is what the x we have over here, the original function, all of it multiplied by x. Then we try to simplify it as much as we can. Let us try to simplify it as much as we can. Now what we do over here, I'm going to open the brackets. I'm going to open the bracket. There's so many techniques you can do here. There's so many things you can do. I would decide to open the bracket. So to be natural log of x over 2, but all of it is multiplied by x. I can decide to join the the fraction. So you have the x dy as equal to multiply by 2 over here. This is like over 1. So you have 4 plus natural log ln of x all squared, all of it over 4. But the x is still outside here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to flip it. Then I get the dy dx. So dy dx is going to be 2 over x into 4 plus natural log of x all squared, and that is your dy dx. That's what you're looking for. Thank you.